Good evening, YouTube. This is Big Poppie coming back at you. Today we're going to do a goodie. We're going to do a copycat. We're going to copy Popeye's chicken sandwich. We're going to do it Big Poppie style. This is Big Poppie's chicken sandwich. All you got to do is sit back and enjoy the ride. I hope you like what I'm doing. I'll get right back with you. Okay. So what we got, I've been marinating my chicken in a half a, well, I want to say a quarter cup of hot sauce, a pinch of salt, 3 eggs, and 2 cups of buttermilk. I've been marinating it for about 4 hours. We're going to use kosher salt, paprika, black pepper. I don't know about the garlic. I'm still holding out on that. We got cornstarch, and we got slap your mama, and cayenne pepper. In this bowl, I got 1.5 cups of flour, and in this bowl, I have 1/2 cup of the cornstarch. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start mixing our dry ingredients. We're going to put the cornstarch in, the flour. We're going to put our seasonings in. This is my cayenne pepper. We're going to use that. That's a tablespoon. We got a tablespoon of black pepper. We're going to put in just a little bit of that. Now you don't have to put it all in there. We're going to put a slap your mama in there. We got a tablespoon of that. Make sure you get all of that in there. That's the goodness right there. And then we got a tablespoon of paprika that we're going to add. Behind me, I got some oil heating up in one of my cast iron pots that I use when I'm cooking outside. Oh, and I got a teaspoon of salt. Just gonna put about 1/2 of that in there. I don't like using a lot of salt. I think we're gonna leave the garlic out for now. We're gonna whisk it all and get it all stirred in and incorporated. Yeah, that's looking pretty. Yeah. That's looking pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of that cayenne in there. Let's see if I can get that in there. All right. We're not going to use no more of this. I'm going to leave the garlic powder out because there's garlic in that slap your mama. We don't want it too garlicky. So I think my grease is ready. Some people say grease, I say grease. Some people say oil, I say grease. It's grease. That's what it is. Okay, now we're going to start dredging our chicken. Take it and shake it off a little bit. Put it in here. Get it covered real good. Get it mixed around. Flip it over. Get it all covered up. I'm going to turn my oil down to medium. Get it all mixed in real good. Press down on it. Get plenty of that flour and seasoning on it. Put it on my pan. Get another piece. By the way, these are chicken breasts. I started to do chicken thighs, but I think, heck, I'll do the breasts like they do at the Popeyes. But I'm a thigh man myself. Yeah. Okay, get that all mixed around in there. Get that incorporated. Put that in there. In a minute, I'm gonna reach back here and I'm gonna push this oil. I'm gonna turn it off. That's what I'm gonna do. Just let it sit there for a while, because I want this to sit with the flour on it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Let it rest a little bit, because it ain't gonna hurt it. Who was that used to have that song? Brick. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. But we not getting on down. We doing the chicken sandwich. We love chicken around here. We got some chicken hawks in this house. Yeah, boy. Get that in there. Smash it down in there. Get that flour on there good. Yeah. Now I kind of beat these out a little bit. I think I'm going to cut that one a little bit. He kind of big. We got one more here. No, we got 3 more. 2 more. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and get this going. Yes, sir. This gonna be good. Yeah, see how I'm getting it all smashed in around there? And you want them little, I don't know, whatever you call them, little cruds. I don't know what you call them. But whatever it is, it's good. Crumbs, yeah. You want them little crumbs to show up on there. Come in there and just get it all mixed around. And yeah. Tonight we're doing Popeye's chicken, Big Poppie style. Then we're gonna do now I left this one nice and thick. Guess who piece that is? I ain't gonna tell you. You just have to guess. Yeah. So we're gonna let this rest for, like I said, about 3 to 5 minutes. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna drop it in our oil. I went ahead and dropped 4 pieces of the chicken in the oil over here. You can see it's cooking up pretty good. We're gonna let that just cook till it's done. Then you're probably saying, Big Poppie, how you gonna know when it's done? When it's done. Do you use a thermometer? No. I know when it's done. I listen to it. My food talk to me. You hear it? You hear it? It's talking to me. You hear that? Yeah. It's talking. Just kind of moving around a little bit in there. Make sure you're not cooking too fast. Put it on a medium heat. Just let it cook. All right, fam. Let's take a look at it before we turn it over. Yeah, that's looking good. I'm gonna let that cook on up some more. Yes, sir. That is gonna be real good. I'm gonna turn that fire down just a little bit. Look at that, fam. I told you to talk to me, just golden brown. Boy, that's gonna be a good sandwich. You hear how it done got quiet? Huh? It's telling you it's ready to come out. Yes, sir. That's the way you do it. Go ahead and get these onions dropped in there. Put that Double stack it. Two pieces there. Two pieces there. Huh? Two pieces there. Yeah, Big Poppie gonna get the big piece of chicken. Yeah. You know why Big Poppie get the big piece of chicken? Huh? Come on.
Oh, wow.
Because Granny ain't here. That's why. Big Poppie gonna get that big piece tonight. Okay, YouTube fam. As you can see, Big Poppie went out and got them special buns. We're gonna put some butter on them. And it's gonna be on like Donkey Kong up in here. Yes, sir. I'm gonna put some butter on these bad boys and toast them up. Yes, I am. You don't need much. We're gonna get it good and toasted. I should have put that butter in a little bowl. Keep putting crumbs in there. I think I will. Yep. Give me a little bowl. Yeah. Let me put a little butter in the bowl. So we won't be getting those crumbs all in our butter. All right, let's mix it up a little bit. Yes, sir. See, I like mine kind of toasted top and bottom. But you can do yours the way you want to. But this is Big Poppie style. Yes, sir. This is what's happening. You know, back when I was a boy, you ate a sandwich, you just had it on some white bread. They call it light bread. Yeah. Yeah, a little light bread. But just remember what I said. It ain't how you look in the kitchen. It's how you cook in the kitchen. I know y'all remember Granny them standing around in there, walking around in there with their house shoes on, that big scarf on their head, coming in, doing all that hard work. Yeah, they didn't care how they looked in the kitchen. They was just cooking in the kitchen. I know some good meals always came out of my grandmama's kitchen. Big Mike, you ready for a chicken sandwich? That's my grandson, Big Mike. He gonna be my tester today. I'm putting them bread and butter pickles on there. That's what I like. I like them bread and butter pickles. Got that little crunch and they kind of sweet. I didn't put mayo on there, I put Miracle Whip. Cause that's what I like. Get a piece of this chicken, put it on Big Mike's sandwich. Can you see that, YouTube? Look at that. Well, I got it upside down. Now I got two bottoms. It's all good in the hood. Got a top to it. Yeah. What do you think about that, Big Mike? Huh? It look good? Huh? You ready to try it? Well, I didn't cook any fries, but you know we got chips and soda. Here, take it. Go try it out. Try it out. Tell me what you think about it. Well, YouTube, that's it. Let me show you my chicken. How I fried it up. I try not to make it too spicy because I want my family to have it. But boy, I could have loaded it up with that slap your mama. Look at that, huh? Don't you wish you were here to get some of that? I know that look good to you. That's Popeye's chicken sandwich, Big Poppie style. Yeah, them girls coming in here now. They're ready to get their sandwich. Big Poppie taking too long.
It's good.
You hear Michael? He said, say it again, man. Say it again. That's right. I know it's good. Big Poppie be cooking. Be cooking in the kitchen. I hope y'all enjoyed it because I enjoyed making it for you. Thank you and God bless.